Part 7. Publishing Financial Statements. Publishing is a formal way to distribute the final product of your design to stakeholders. Of course, you can print the spreadsheet contents to a PDF or physical paper to distribute. However, in those cases, you lose the ability to drill down and drill back. ActivReporter has a solution for this. You could distribute the original spreadsheets to the stakeholders, but then you are distributing spreadsheets with lots of formulas and cells that could be accidentally modified. However, if you choose to print to file, with the output being an Excel workbook, then the formulas are replaced by the financial numbers, and you retain the drill down and drill back capabilities of the ActivReporter solution. We have shown you the ability to use Excel to design financial statements. The process does not separate the design phase from the reporting phase like Management Reporter and other products. The drill down to the underlying transactions is presented in such a manner via the ActivReporter HD pane that you can easily research the underlying transactions for anomalies and errors. This is especially helpful if the transaction volumes are large. We like to say that ActivReporter combines the best features of Management Reporter and Excel-based financial reporting, but on steroids.